Today is the day we are getting the electrical done, and so I have my electricians over here. They are working day one of getting the electrical in, and so right now I am about to check them out and see the progress. Right now, I am about to get this meter switched out. So I have to be able, this is an old one, old box shut-off valve. I have to be able to get the new meter hooked in, class code, boom, that's in. Boom, that's in. Got all the materials here. Got my electrician out here, getting me right. I'm gonna have one temporary outlet, or one, not temporary, but one outlet that's going to get me set up. I got all this materials here. Got everything here. It's gonna get me set up so that way I can have an electrical outlet here. Once I get an electrical outlet going, I will be able to do everything that I need to get done. Got all of that removed. So this is awesome. This is definitely a step in the right direction. I had no clue about the process, so we'll have a video coming out talking about that process soon. So here's the new breaker box. Just have one 20 amp here. It's off right now because I had service coming. It needs to be off. This is my one outlet. They had to run it, all new wires through. You all don't mind that stuff right there. Have it grounded to the water. Here, ran under, and here, which is cold. Yep, everything's new. All the conduit is ready for the new wire to be fed. And now let me take you outside. So, as shown earlier, this right here is the copper that's coming out, that's grounded. Got the new conduit. Now this is how it could be shut off in case of an emergency. You could just go ahead and switch it to off, which that's on. That's on and that's off right now. And then this is the new meter right here. And got the approval there. Yep, everything is good. Yep, so now I am ready to get rolling. Today was spent getting supplies and actually laying out everything for the electrical. Here are two boxes that's already in place with some conduit down in the basement. Other conduit pipes were already ran as well. You can see right there where some are coming up. And then they also went ahead and set up the conduit in the boxes for the recessed lighting. And so here there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's gonna be 10 lights here in the living room area. 10 6-inch recessed can lights. So those are gonna go up in the living room area. Also, some can lights are gonna go in other areas. Here you can also see where the outlet is here. And here's also gonna be an outlet for TV wall mount, which is gonna be the same thing on the back side in this room. And so they are going through the process of setting some things up. Again, day one was kind of a slow start because most of the time was spent trying to get the supplies and set things up. And so day two is coming up soon. Y'all over here clowning, huh? Having a good time, y'all might as well. Everything's going okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So when you all are finished, you can just lock the back door.
Okay.
And
close the windows and lock the back door.
Yeah, you can. If not, I can come over here and
we'll close up for you.
Okay.
Close up.
Yeah, and then I'll come back and check everything out in the morning and open it back up in the morning.
Right. Well, check with my son to see what time he will be here. I won't be back till Monday.
Okay, that's fine. That's
fine.
You.
After Monday.
Yep.
I'll be sitting on you until we finish.
Okay. All right. Cool. Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah. Because I had a inspection this morning and
10 total.
That's the whole room.
Not including the kitchen.
Not including the kitchen.
Okay.
So we got to just space them out.
Okay.
And I'm gonna lay the boxes, like I said, you'll know exactly where the boxes are from my diagram.
Well, I'm not gonna have boxes though. These are the ones that
No, I'm just saying.
Okay.
The box I'm having in the ceiling.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So when you get ready to put those in, you'll know exactly where to cut.
Got you. Okay.
All right.
That works.
Because your drywall is just gonna cover it.
Yes.
So I'll make a schematic and have everything measured out.
Perfect.
You'll know exactly where everything is.
Perfect. Okay, that'll work.
All right. I was trying to get some light today, but we ain't gonna make it.
Okay.
We gonna make it. Almost. I got you hot now. It's just that
that's okay.
We're not gonna make it.
That's
when
okay.
I couldn't use those boxes, I said,
Yeah.
Just take them out. So yeah, you can take this over back to
All right, that'll work.
Use the faces though, but not the boxes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Harris. Well, I'm gonna get out your way.
All right.
And it was nice meeting you all. Everybody was nice meeting you.
Well, this is Lisa.
Hey, Lisa.
This is, you met Carl yesterday.
No, I don't do that. No.
Oh, that's Carl.
Hey, Carl.
That's my right-hand man, Derek.
Hey, right-hand Derek. Oh, yeah, Derek came out with Tony the first time.
Right,
at the HVAC.
Right. Now, he cleaning. He'll clean, when we get through, he'll clean up and have this place spotless.
All right, I got plenty of bags. You can use whatever you need and trash and all that other stuff. All right, thank you. Have a good one.
From a long way away, I'll take risks. Swing round that corner, I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch.